My name is Jose Armando. I'm the pilot.
My name is Mark Chacon. I'm the co-pilot.
My name is Jose Rodriguez. I'm the tether.
I'm Ashley Mogollon and I'm tethered.
I'm Emily Murillo and I'm an engine.
We're missing 2 of our players due to family problems. They all had family problems. And so our robot.
Okay, so originally this was not going to be a robot at all. It was really just going to be a submarine-based type robot. You know, just regular, like, cylinder with wings attached to them and a small box. But due to problems with sponsoring and all that, we decided to change it to a bigger version of all being a box kit.
Well, we basically took the ROV and just made it in the ROV box kit and we just made it into a bigger size. And as you can see, it's huge. So we called it the 3-day challenge because we made the robot in 3 days. And so one day was dedicated to the whole design, like coming up with the PVC and then painting it, and then the next day was the wiring, and then the next day it was the box, or control box.
And we had 50 feet of the tether, and we were supposed to have 100 feet, but because of sponsoring, we had a shortage.
So the design of it, it's at a point, the tip is at a point to where we can pierce all through water, but we don't want to pierce through it to where we can't stop. So we had the other end, so when we stop, it'll hit against the back too. So when it stops, it'll just make like an equal push.
And then our motors are, all these 3 are 750. This one's 1100. The 2 sides are 750. And then we have marine propellers on the top going up and down, and air propellers for the sides.
And we have a colored camera. We have in the front, we have 2 10 volt LEDs, and on the top it's a 16. We had since we had problems with the funding and everything, we had to recycle a lot. So we used a bunch of 3 years ago robot parts. That since I've been in the program for about 6 years. This is his second year, 5th year, and 1st year. The other 2 are newcomers. The other 2 that weren't allowed to come because of the family problems. So, you guys have any questions?
Have you gotten it in the